Yeah. you know, everything can't be what you want it to be, but hey, yeah.
I like the time she spends with me.
I'm on that girl, I can see that I'm on that girl.
I know that she don't like to leave, but she's my study buddy. But she's my study buddy.
Yeah.
But she's my study buddy.
Okay, so where do I start? Shorty called my eye in the party by surprise. I asked my nigga, he said, yeah, I remember. I think her name was Nisha, I ain't seen her since September. She in some of your class for real? I must have missed her. But Shorty was real fly, 5'5", brown eyes. Had a nice swag, make a nigga say dag. One of them type of girls, if you had it, you could brag. So I approach her like, hey miss, what's your interest? Like, what makes you smile? Can we chill for a while? Somewhere quiet with none of your friends around. Maybe after class, mama, how does that sound? And she replied like, I don't know you, baby. And if this leaks